Kawai na kikanhon jong kisamla kabajutray na kabantaban kantiw y kisamla jong kajanla hakikam jong okay perthay menta kakanti kalaphay kamat sa kawai pat kabanta ban kantiw y kisamla kamtam y kithay samla dakapapan shlur pat yaki ban kiw haloransan ban panpaw y kisap kipong jong ki kamtam hakajing pro jabing bat kajing dat riam jong ki. Kaseng kabalatip kum ka Meghalaya Youth Tourism Development Society MYTDS hakajinya kendu bakinong patay kubor hak arpo pratarik unaitung arajar arpo lai hasilong press club kalapen bena basyan kani kaseng kan sa pynlong ya kajinya kop thay babriu halorensan karinsan kaba entip kum ka Miss Meghalaya bat Miss Teen Meghalaya arajar arpo lai. Kinoy alam jong kani kaseng kiliya tu baka palang jimut haki ban pynlong ya kani karensan kadai namar baki kwa ban thawi kilat kilanti ki thai samla ki badang kiedang san baki nyo alat ban pynpawi ki sap jong ki halorensan kanang baka ni kanyarap ru ban pynslur ki hakabia dai bat ki kam ki jam ki baki hap banang keren ya kaktin kathali. Ban pynlong ya kani karensan yakop laong bayak audition in pynlong hakakat tarik unai lar mentakasnem arajar arpolai bat hadin baladap jet in ajing hikai bat pentibit yaki nadu unai lor mentahi kasnem arajar arpolai.
I feel that a young person today really needs that confidence to be able to stand up and speak about issues that they feel strongly about, to be able to voice their opinions, because I'm saying every young person has an opinion and they hardly have a platform to be able to spread that message of what they feel strongly about. So this competition will be a platform for them to speak about issues which they feel strongly about, to speak about things which they see what's happening around them and their opinions about it. It'll also bring about, it fosters a lot of friendship, because there'll be a lot of girls for that 1 month of training. There'll be a lot of girls interacting, meeting each other, sharing ideas, sharing their dreams and aspirations. And so it's something which I would encourage all young people to get into, because, as I said just now, it's not very easy getting a platform like this. And once you get it, they will know what that experience is. Because personally, again, it's not about winning the crown. It's about that journey which they make before winning that crown, because that is what they're going to remember for a lifetime.
It was a major turning point for me in my life, because this is a platform that gave me the opportunity to meet so many people, learn new things, practice indispensable life skills, and of course it opened so many doors for better things. Above all, I've learned to have more confidence in myself, to speak in public, to stand strong and to be disciplined. I am beyond grateful for the growth and the experiences that I've had, and I believe that as much as this platform has helped me thrive, it would do the same for all those who wish to participate in this beauty pageant. Thank you.
And during this grooming session, the contestants will be trained, the contestants will be groomed, they will be we'll be helping them as a team to develop their personality, to help them build their confidence, to help them in areas where they think that, where they lack, because it's different standing in front of, a few people and standing on stage. It's a different feeling altogether. So basically to boost their confidence, help them to be able to face challenges, and have faith in themselves, because I think we do have a lot of talent in our state, and we want the youth to come out of their shells, and we want to give them a chance to be able to develop, see the talent that they have in them and the faith and confidence that might be lacking. Maybe they have the looks, or they have the figure that they think it's just for a beauty pageant. But it's not all about the money, it's not all about the fame that you get, but it's an overall development